Bisacodyl, commonly known by the brand name Dulcolax, is a medication used primarily as a laxative to relieve occasional constipation and to prepare the bowel before certain medical procedures, such as colonoscopy or surgery. Bisacodyl is also known by other brand names: Durolax, Fleet, Durolax, Aliphen, Rectal, and Carter's Little Pills. Bisacodyl is a stimulant laxative. It works by stimulating the nerves in the colon, which results in increased peristalsis and promotes bowel movements. It also increases the secretion of fluids into the colon, which helps soften the stool. Common side effects include abdominal cramping, bloating, nausea, and diarrhea. Rarely, severe abdominal pain, rectal bleeding, or persistent diarrhea may occur. Prolonged use or misuse can lead to dependency or disruption of normal bowel function. Typically, adults take 5 to 15 milligrams once daily. It is usually recommended to take the medication before bedtime to have a bowel movement the following morning. Suppositories are also available in 10 milligrams doses. Usually one suppository is inserted into the rectum as needed. Dosage for children varies based on age and weight, so it's essential to follow specific recommendations provided by a healthcare provider. Bisacodyl may interact with other medications, particularly those that can affect electrolyte balance or other gastrointestinal agents. It's important to avoid using it with antacids or milk within an hour before or after taking Bisacodyl, as these can interfere with its absorption and effectiveness. Caution is advised when taking Bisacodyl with diuretics, as it may increase the risk of electrolyte imbalances. Prolonged or excessive use of Bisacodyl can lead to dependency and worsen constipation over time. It's intended for short-term use, unless directed otherwise by a healthcare provider. Use with caution in individuals with conditions such as bowel obstruction, appendicitis, or other gastrointestinal disorders. Consult a healthcare provider before use if you are pregnant or breastfeeding, although Bisacodyl is generally considered to be used with caution in these situations. If you find this video helpful, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more informative content. Stay tuned for our next video.